make it BYOI. Urban Techie always supporting local. Thanks to Mr. Andy. Happy Friday.
Yeah, buddy, you too.
And let's get into it. I'm actually going to read it this time because on New Year's, as you know, I was having a good time.
Yeah.
To say the least. All right, so we got syrups here, I'm assuming.
Cranberry.
So it's the cranberry syrup. You
Yep.
can tell me about each of these. So drink like you have some sense. I love it. So we got the cranberry. This is the coffee?
Yeah, you got the label up top here.
Oh, coffee beans. So coffee on top. So is it alcohol in these?
No,
Okay,
no,
that's
that's just syrup. That's
just the add a little. Okay.
that is simple syrup made with coffee.
Okay. And so with this, I'm just going over. So I'll take the coffee here, and then I can add this to
Anything.
Anything. Okay, perfect.
You can put it in an old fashioned, make a coffee old fashioned.
Okay.
It goes well with whiskey. If you like coffee flavored, you put some of that in actual coffee, and you're not wasting your flavor.
Oh, so I can actually put that in coffee if I just want to regular
I
coffee?
had some of that this morning.
Okay, for sure. Lavender Lily, I do remember this one. This was definitely a hit. So I definitely like the Lavender Lily. I have not had this before with the Senate race. I think I'm gonna like this, so I'm going for this. And each of these are 2 drinks, right? 2 drinks.
This one is 2 drinks.
Okay.
American Revolution is 2 drinks.
Okay. American Revolution.
Yeah, the reason
Manhattan, right?
that is French Connection,
Okay.
except made with Maryland rye
Okay. Perfect.
and a couple other things to make it different.
Alright. And Peaches, no cream. This right here. This is amazing. If you got date night, this is what you want to do right here. I'm telling you, bro. That's just my opinion. I'm saying that's what I heard. It was good too. So
You got a card right there?
and I got a card inside. This is what I forgot last time. That's my name on it. You know my real name. My mom called me Kendall, so that's the name. And I'm gonna open this up gently. Ooh. This is dope. Thank you. Thank you. BYOI. Looking forward to serving you again. BYOI 10.
Yeah.
So I'm liking this. And it actually gives a description of each one. So the Senate race, it's a ginger-infused vodka, Georgia peach puree, pineapple, and pear syrup. American Revolution, a Maryland rye whiskey, cognac, orange bitters, and orange syrup. The Lavender Lily is a vodka, a Lillet. Is that how you pronounce that?
Lillet.
Lillet, okay. Lavender gin, lavender liqueur, and simple syrup. And Peaches, no cream, vodka, peach puree, peach simple syrup. Bro, I'm loving it, bro. I'm loving it.
All right.
Seriously, support local, and it's gonna be a good time. We're actually gonna jump into this tonight, so here we go. All right.